Hello students, welcome to costing methods and techniques class. In today's class we are going to solve another problem on unit costing. So first I'll read out the problem and then we will start to solve it. Okay. Yes. From the under mentioned particulars, prepare a cost sheet of brickworks showing cost and profit per 1,000 bricks, wages, clay getting, machines, drying, then setting, drawing and loading. That is rupees 1,50,000. Coal, okay, 5,000 tons at rupees 15 per ton. Then royalty rupees 1.50 per 1,000 bricks made. Depreciation on plant and machinery at 10%. So the value is 3 lakhs. Removal of overburden at 1 rupee per 1,000 bricks. Works overheads 10% of wages and coal. Office overheads 2.5% of wages and coal. Bricks made 1 crore 1,52,284. In bracket it is given allow for waste at 1.5% of output. It means it is normal loss. Bricks sold 80 lakhs at rupees 40 per 1,000 bricks. Stock of bricks on 1st January 2019 20 lakhs at rupees 30 per 1,000. Then stock of bricks on 31st December 2019 is 40 lakhs at rupees 30 per 1,000. Okay, so this is what is the problem. They have asked us to prepare cost sheet. Okay, yes. Now here what they have given is bricks made is 1 crore 1,52,284 they have given. Okay, allow for waste at rupees 1.5%. It means from this whatever bricks they have made, from that normal loss whatever has occurred, that has to be deducted. Okay, so whatever balance we get, that is actual production of bricks. Okay, so for that first we will have one working note. Okay, so first you can write it here itself, or write down cost sheet for the year ending 31st December 2019. Okay, then leave one page and next page you can write calculation of bricks produced. Okay, calculation of bricks produced. Okay, now total bricks made, okay, which is given in the problem. Now total bricks made, how much they have given? Total bricks made is 1 crore 1 lakh 52,284. Okay, so this is what is bricks made, right? Now from this we need to deduct less normal loss. Okay, so normal loss is 1.5% of bricks produced. Okay, so in bracket you can show the calculation. Now just check, bricks made is 1 crore 1,52,284. Okay, so out of this is 1.5%. 1.5% is normal loss. So that normal loss should be deducted. Okay, now this if you calculate, you will get 1,52,284.26 you will get, right? So we will ignore that decimal point. Fine. Okay, now this, once if you deduct this, how much you will get? So that is nothing but that is your bricks made. Okay, sorry, bricks produced. So here it is. So 1 crore is nothing but 1 crore bricks. So this is bricks produced. So here you can write bricks bricks produced. Hope so this note is clear to you all. Okay, so total bricks made is already given in the problem, and they have told there is 1.5% normal loss. So that normal loss should be deducted from total bricks made. Okay, so once if you deduct it, you will get how many bricks are produced. So 1 crore bricks are produced. Okay, so here output you can write and write here 1 crore bricks. 1 crore bricks. Okay, now next line, prepare an statement, particulars, total cost and cost per 1000 bricks. Fine? Yes. Now go through the problem. Now in this problem, they have not given us how much is direct material. Direct material is not given. Wages they have given us. Right? Wages is given. Okay. Now here this coal is also included in this wages itself. Okay. Now wages, or you can consider this coal. Okay. We will consider this coal as direct material. So here you can write direct material in bracket, write down coal, complete the bracket, one more bracket to show the calculation. So what they have told us, 5000 tons, 5000 tons into rupees 15 per ton, into rupees 15 per ton. So make the calculation. So your calculation of 5000 into 15, that is 75,000. Okay. Now cost per 1000 bricks they have told us. Right. So there is one more calculation. Okay, it is just you cannot do not show this calculation. It is just for your understanding purpose. Okay, so this will be total cost. I'll show you here how it is. Okay, total cost divided by total cost divided by number of units. Number of bricks produced divided by number of bricks produced. Okay. Now here can write into how much they have told per 1000 bricks we need to calculate 1000. Okay, so this is what is how we calculate per 1000. So total cost we don't know. Total cost, okay, divided by total cost divided by now number of bricks produced is 1 crore. Understanding? Okay. We are calculating it per thousand. Per thousand. Right? Okay. So into here 1000. So these zeros get cancelled. Check here. These three zeros and these three zeros get cancelled. Right? So your answer will be how much? Your answer will be 10,000. So whenever you are calculating cost per thousand bricks, so your calculation will be total cost divided by 10,000 bricks, so that you will get a proper answer for 1,000 bricks. Hope so this is clear. Okay, so they have asked us to calculate per thousand bricks. They have asked us to calculate per thousand bricks. So total cost divided by number of bricks produced per thousand we are calculating. So into 1000. Understanding? Okay. So once if you simplify it, you will get 10,000 bricks. Right? So here we will be showing. So here we are writing cost per 1000 bricks. But here we will be dividing it by 10,000 bricks. Understanding? Hope so this is clear to y'all. Okay. Now 75,000 divided by 10,000 bricks. So that is rupees 7.5. Hope so this is clear to you all. Okay. Yes. Now next is direct wages. Okay. Now direct wages, already they have given us the amount, right? So wages amount is given. So wages amount is 1,50,000, right? So 1,50,000. Again, we are not dividing it by 1,000. We are dividing it by 10,000 bricks. Okay, so that is 15 rupees. Hope so you are understanding this. I'll clear your doubts again. If you want, I can explain it again. Okay, once if we complete this problem, I will explain you that working note again, so that you will not have any doubts. Okay, now next point is what they have given is royalty rupees 1.50 per thousand bricks. So royalty is nothing but we consider it as direct expenses. Okay, it is direct expenses. In bracket you can write here royalty. Okay, yes. Now what they have told, it is rupees 1.50 into 1000 bricks. Okay, yes. Now multiply this, you will get 15,000. It is 15,000. Okay, again multiply this by 10,000. So you will get 1.50. Understanding? Yes. Now what, make total of this. So total of this is called as prime cost. Okay, now add this, that is 2,40,000, and this is 24, right? It is 24 rupees. Okay, hope so everybody is understanding. Next is add factory overheads. Okay, now related to factory overheads, what all information they have given, just again go through the problem. Okay, after royalty they have given depreciation on plant and machinery at 10%. So depreciation, it is relating to what? It is related to factory overheads. So that depreciation we need to record over here. Depreciation. Okay. Now depreciation is 3 lakh into 10%. 3 lakh into 10%. So it is nothing but. So write this amount in the inner column. Okay. Now next is removal of overburden at 1 rupee per 1000 bricks. Okay. So again, this is nothing but it is related to factory overheads. So here we need to take removal of overburden. Okay, so in bracket you can show the calculation. So what they have told, removal of overburden 1 rupee per 1000 bricks. Okay, so bricks produced is how much? Bricks produced is okay 1 crore into 1 rupee per 1000. So 1 divided by 1000 bricks. 1 divided by 1000 bricks. Okay, so just calculate this. You will get it here 10,000. 10,000 bricks. Okay, now next, works overheads is 10% of wages and coal. It is 10% of wages and coal. Okay, works overheads, it is relating to factory overheads. So here you can write works overheads. Okay, so works overheads, in bracket you can show the calculation, 10% of wages and coal. So 1,50,000 plus 75,000. So it is nothing but 2,25,000. 2,25,000 into 10%. Into 10%. Okay, calculate this. So that will be 22,500. 22,500. Okay, now next is office overheads. Okay, now only 3 factory overheads we have. So make a total and take it in the outer column. So that will be 62,500. Okay, now 62,500 divided by 10,000. So that is 6.25. It is 6.25. Okay, yes. Now add this to prime cost. So once if you add this, you will get 3,02,500. Okay, so that is 30.25. 30.25. Okay, now what this is called as? This is called as works cost. Works cost. Yes. Now next is add administrative overheads. Now what information they have given? Administrative, that is office overheads, 2.5% of wages and coal. So here only we will show the calculation in bracket, wages and coal. Okay, so here the total is how much? It is 2,25,000. Okay, into 2.5%. Okay, now calculate this. 2.5% will be 5,625. 5,625. Okay, now this will be 0.56. 0.56. Okay, yes. Now add this to works cost, that is 3,08,125. 30.81. 30.81. Okay, so this is called as what? Cost of production. This is cost of production. Cost of production. Okay, yes. Now next, go through the problem. What they have given is bricks sold, they have given. Okay, below that, bricks sold. Brick stock of bricks on 1st January 2019 was 20 lakhs at rupees 30 per 1000 bricks. Okay, it means there is opening stock of finished goods as well as closing stock of finished goods in the problem. So opening stock of finished goods, we add it, right? Add opening stock of finished goods. Opening stock of finished goods. Okay, now here what they have told us, 20 lakhs 20 lakhs bricks at rupees 30 per thousand. So 30 divided by 1000 bricks. 30 divided by 1000 bricks. So calculate this. How much you will get? You will get 60,000. You will get 60,000 bricks. Fine. Okay. Now add this. That is, it will be 3,68,125. Right? Okay. Now next is, we need to deduct closing stock of finished goods. Okay, so now closing stock, how much they have given? 40 lakhs. 40 lakhs into 40 lakhs into 30 per 1000 bricks. Okay, into 30 per 1000 bricks. So divided by 1000 bricks. Okay, so again calculate this. It will be 1,20,000. So this is 1,20,000. Right? Okay. Yes. Now deduct. If you deduct, you will get 2,48,125. Right? Yes. Now this will be 30.81. Okay. Yes. Now this is called as what? This is called as actually cost of goods sold, but in this problem they haven't given us what is selling and distribution overheads, how much is selling and distribution overheads. So this itself is called as cost of bricks sold, or you can say it can be total cost. Okay, yes. Okay. Now next is sales. Now show the calculation in bracket. Now just go through the problem. Sales information they have given is bricks sold 80 lakhs at rupees 40 per thousand bricks. Okay. So here 80 lakhs into 40 per thousand bricks. Okay. So 40 divided by 1000 bricks. Calculate, you will get 3 lakh 20,000. Okay, so this is 40. Already they have given per thousand bricks. Okay, now find out profit. Yes. Now profit is, so this will be your balancing figure. This will be your balancing figure. Now sales minus total cost or cost of goods will give you profit. So that is 71,875. 71,875. Okay. So cost profit per brick is 9.19. It is 9.19. So this is what is the problem about. Okay. So hope so this problem is clear to you all. As they have told us, we need to calculate per thousand bricks. Okay. So we have, so I have shown you the calculation also. So this is your first note, and this you can show it as your second note. This is not there for calculation, just it is for your understanding purpose. Okay, that is total cost divided by number of bricks produced, as we are calculating it for 1000 bricks. Okay, so into 1000, so total cost divided by 1 crore into 1000, that is 10,000 bricks. So output you need to consider as 10,000 bricks and calculate cost per unit. Okay, hope so this problem is clear to you all. So whatever bricks made they have given, from that if we deduct normal loss, like whatever percentage they had given, you will get bricks produced. So bricks produced is 1 crore, but they have asked us to calculate cost per 1000 bricks. So this we have applied. So this much. So this is what is extra you will have to understand. Okay, hope so this problem is clear to you all. Okay, so this. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can message me. If one more problem, we will be solving it on this, that is related to bricks. Okay, yes. So see you in next class.